The safety overview, correct me if I'm wrong, that's a service that you guys provide?
Yes. So we have two experts on our team that have OSHA and safety certifications. We have Zach Moya and Paul Gilkinson. These guys have both been in the corporate world and in the insurance world, and then kind of came into another life with Ballymore in working with customers on what their safety challenges are. And they're really skilled at getting out and helping support a project in identifying how something's being done incorrectly, identify how the customer is tracking recordables, and how we can help them save money by implementing a solution to reduce recordables. And so therefore, a lot of times what you find is that the price of the product doesn't matter as much because it's far less than one recordable. Paul and Zach are a great resource for any of the reps to, if you're running into the wall with something, or if you're seeing something that's concerning, don't hesitate to reach out to Paul and Zach. They'll be hyper responsive and trying to come up with a solution.
And I'll include a link up above to a previous interview that I did with Paul Gilkinson previously on our show, so that you can check that episode out as well.
One of the examples I can think of is, I hate to go back and harp BAE, but BAE had us out for a safety event, and Paul came down and joined me, and he brought his ergonomic evaluator. And we asked one of the workers to do something where they're bending over and lifting something up. And Paul can record that activity. And then it's about a 10-second clip. And the evaluator will show the stress points on the body. Then they'll take that information and come back to engineering. And then that's how the Lucy ball transfer table was designed for one of the corporate wholesalers. They were seeing recordables from people loading 350-pound grills. We evaluated it and then developed a lift table solution to help reduce those recordables, and they love it.
Yeah, the Ergo Evaluator, I learned about it on that interview that I said I'll link here. Really cool tool that is available to you. He showed me an example where it'll show basically little red bars on the person's body if that is a stress point. Is it going to cause a neck injury, a shoulder injury, a back injury? It'll actually pinpoint where there's going to be a problem, and then it'll give you an idea of what you can do to help correct that and fix that, whether it be the ball transfer table or some other device that Ballymore has to offer.